Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to foreclose your Tata Capital personal loan. Foreclosing your loan early can offer significant financial advantages, helping you become debt-free sooner. We will guide you through the entire process, from understanding the eligibility and charges to completing the necessary paperwork and ensuring a smooth closure. Get ready to take control of your finances and save money on interest. Before initiating foreclosure, it is crucial to understand the eligibility and associated charges. Tata Capital typically allows you to foreclose your personal loan after 6 months from the date it was disbursed. A foreclosure charge of 4.5% of the principal outstanding, plus applicable goods and services tax, will be levied. If you foreclose within the first 12 months, an additional 2% surcharge on the outstanding principal also applies. The foreclosure process involves a few key steps. First, collect necessary documents such as your loan account number, a valid photo identification, and your PAN card. Next, contact Tata Capital's customer service or visit a branch to formally request foreclosure and obtain a statement of your outstanding balance. After reviewing the statement, make the full payment, including any foreclosure charges. Finally, ensure you receive a no-objection certificate as proof of loan closure. After successfully foreclosing your loan, there are a few vital steps to ensure everything is properly recorded. It is important to verify that Tata Capital updates your loan closure with CIBIL, which may take 30 to 45 days. Regularly check your credit report to confirm the loan is officially closed. Always retain all closure documents, especially the no-objection certificate, for your records. This ensures a clear financial standing for your future endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.